Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to discuss how to track a booklet form. So this is a booklet form, and we have five steps: one for service, time, details, payment, and the final is done. So we have to track this form, and the requirement is we have to track every step. For example, as a funnel, how much people is come or fill up the first step and bounce back from the second step. For example, they fill up their details in step 2 but bounce back from the step 3. So we have to track by step process. So if I preview this prompt, let's preview, and we have to see that if we have any data layer, we can track it easily. So first, let's check, do we have any data layer or not? So now I am in preview mode and it's connected successfully. So let's submit the form step 1. And the next step, so in data layer we don't have any data layer or something, so that we can track this form with this way, right? So we have to do a simple things, and here I have a code, and we have to put it the back end of the booklet form. So let's go back in the backend of the website. So this is our website. Go back in the backend, and in Bookly we will found the appearance section. So click the appearance section, and this is the Bookly from backend, right? So this is the form. So what we have to do. So this code we have to put in the backend. So if you see there, we have five steps: one for service, time, details, done, and payment. So in this step we have the description option, right? And time, details. For every step we have the description. So for example, for service, this is the description. For time, this is our description. Details, this is our description. So we have to put this code on the description. So for example, this is the service, that's mean step 1, and click here, and we have to remove if we have any space or something like this, then paste the code here directly. Okay, so keep in mind we can't use any space between the uh, description and the code. Okay, so here, okay, we have no space or something like this. Okay, now if we see the event, if someone land on the step 1, so here we'll push a data layer that's named Bookly step view. But if we use this with every step, we can't identify this is step 1 or step 2. So that we have to use any name or something. So we can easily use Bookly step view step 1, step 1. Here you can give as your own what you want. So whatever you want, you can put it here. Okay, this is totally depends on you, the event name. Okay, let's copy this again and save this. Now we will use the same data layer in the description with the step 2, and here we will paste. But keep in mind we have to change the data layer name, right? So the first one was step 1, here we will use step 2. Okay, let's apply. Then we will keep this code with step 3. So same again, open the description, paste the code, change the name as you want. In my case, I am using step 3. Okay, and for the payment, same as like before. This is too easy if you know how to do. And change the name, step 4. And the last one, the final, you can give whatever you want, whatever you need. So for here, I can give now booklet form submitted as you want. I mean, so that as you want, you can use this here. So let's save this. And finally, we have to save from here. Okay. So our data layer coding replace is successful. And now we have to preview again. And let's see if we found any data layer in the preview mode. So let's preview again. Okay. Connected successfully. Now we are in step 1, right? So here we should found a data layer in the tag assistant. That means bookly step view 1 or something like this, right? So let's see. Yes, perfect. We see a data layer, bookly step view step 1. So if I submit this one and reach to land to step 2, so let's see what's happened. Any? Okay, perfect. Next. Okay, so we should found a data layer, the name bookly step viewed step 2 or something like this. So let's see. Ah, perfect. Bookly step viewed step 2. So our data layer is working perfectly. Let's submit, select a date, push anything you want. For example, like pushing my name, phone number, and email. Okay, let's next step. And this is done, right? So if we go to our data layer, here we will see bookly form submitted event. So that's mean our data layer is working perfectly. Now we can send this data, for example, Google Ads, Google Analytics, Facebook Meta, something, whatever, wherever you want to send, we can do it easily. So I hope you know better how we have to send this and how we have to use this event. So if you don't know how to send or how to use this, let's comment and I will create another video for you. Or if you want, you you need the customer information, for example, first name, last name, whatever you need. So let me know. I also will create another video. In that video, I will discuss how to take and how to push the customer info, for example, phone number, email, first name, last name in the data layer for enhanced conversion tracking. So that's for today. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you soon with the next video. Bye.